Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope all are you good. So today let me start GK Unit 6 Around the World. Chapter number 66 Bridges the Milestones. So this chapter only for reading here. Bridges are some of the world's best engineering marvels. Some of the famous bridges of the world are given below. Number 1, the Bandra Worli Ceiling in Mumbai, India was inaugurated in June 2009, linking the main island of Mumbai to its suburbs. This bridge is India's first 8-lane freeway over the open sea. Okay. Hangzhou's Bay Bridge in China is the longest bridge of the world. It was opened in 2007. The bridge is 35.673 km long. It is in S shape. The S shape to minimize the effects of the annual tidal wave called Silver Dragon. See, the Millau Bridge in the Train Valley in southern France opened in 2004 as the world's highest road bridge at a height of 343 meters. It is slightly taller than the Eiffel Tower and only 38 meters shorter than the Empire State Building. The Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco, USA is one of the world's most famous suspension bridges. Suspension bridge is one in which the bridge hangs with the help of cables connected to two tall vertical structures. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 67. Special airports. Some airports in the world are named after some important persons. Find out them. Number 1, this airport is in Paris and named after the first president of France. So what's the name? Charles de Gaulle. Number 2, this airport in Tirana, Albania, and named after a Nobel Peace Prize winner, Mother Teresa. This airport is in New Delhi, India. It is named after India's first woman Prime Minister, Indira Gandhi. Number 4, this airport in Liverpool is named after the former member of the music band Beatles. Number 4, it is John Lennon. This New York airport shares its name with a former US president. Number 5, ये है John F. Kennedy. Number 6, this airport is in Rome and named after a famous Italian painter. ये है Leonardo da Vinci. Okay, so everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 68. The days. Some days are so important that they are celebrated worldwide. Look at the names and symbols below and write the dates. So number 1 is World No Tobacco Day, 31st May. Number 2, Human Rights Day. It is 10th December. December. Number 3, World Health Day, 7th April. Number 4, World Environment Day, 5th June. Happy International Women's Day, 8th March. Okay, next, number 6, International Yoga Day, 21 June, 21st June. And Happy Earth Day, 22nd April. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 69. World Fact. This chapter only for reading, chapter of Unit 6. Okay, World Fact. The Atacama Desert in Chile is one of the driest area of the world. In some parts of the desert, rain has never been recorded. Next one, the Ayers Rock in Australia is the largest monolith in the world. Mount Everest got its name from Sir George Everest, who put it on the map. He was a surveyor general of India. Pompeii was an ancient city in Italy, which was buried in 79 AD when Mount Vesuvius erupted. Titicaca is the largest lake in South America. It is in the Andes on the border of Peru and Bolivia. The famous Gobi Desert lies across the borders of China and Mongolia in Central Asia. The summer here is scorching hot and winter is bitter cold. Okay, so everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 70. International boundaries. Here is a collection of some important international borderline names between some countries. Match them appropriately. Number 1, Durand Line. India and Afghanistan. GHI. I. Option is I. Afghanistan, India and Afghanistan. Maginot Line. Number 2, it is Germany and France. Option D. Manerim Line. Number 3 is Russia and Finland. McMahon Line. Number 4, it is India and China. Madison Line. Number 5 is B, Canada and the United States. Ordonez Line. Number 6, Poland and East Germany. Radcliffe Line, India and Pakistan. 49th parallel, 8, Canada and USA. 38th parallel, North and South Korea, G. 17th parallel, F, North and South Vietnam. It is F. Okay, so these are the matchings. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 71. United Nations. This chapter only for reading. United Nations is one of the most important organizations of the world. Let's learn more about United Nations. Year of establishment. It officially came into existence on October 24, 1945. Headquarters, New York, United States. The reason of establishment: after the World War II, United Nations was established in order to promote international peace, to avoid wars, and to maintain cooperation in solving international socio-economic problems. So who coined the term United Nations? Franklin D. Roosevelt first coined the term to describe the group of elite countries. What are the main organs of United Nations? So there are mainly 5 principal organs of United Nations: General Assembly, Security Council, Economic and Social Council, the Secretariat, and International Court of Justice. So what are the official language of the UN? So there are 6 official languages of the United Nations. One is Arabic, Chinese, English, French, Russian, and Spanish. So Trygve Lie, first Secretary General, and Antonio Guterres, current Secretary General. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 72. World's language. Enjoy a tour of the world capitals, write the names of the languages spoken in different capitals in the world. So let me start. First is Berlin. Berlin में बोली जाती है जर्मन. Moscow, Russian. Next, number 3, Madrid. इसमें बोली जाती है स्पेनिश. Number 4, Brasilia, Portuguese. Number 5, पेरिस में बोली जाती है फ्रेंच. Number 6, Cairo, अरेबिक. रोम में इटालियन. अंकारा, नंबर 8, तुर्किश. टोक्यो, जापानीज. And last one is Seoul, Korean. So these are the world's language. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 73. Parliaments. The highest law-making council of a nation is called its parliament. Folketing. तो अब हमें बताना है कि ये कहाँ कहाँ पे है. ये है डेनमार्क में, नंबर 2 नेशनल असेंबली, ये है फ्रांस में, मजलिस ये है मलेशिया में, MALAYSIA मलेशिया. नंबर 4 शोरा, अफगानिस्तान, डाइट जापान, स्टेट्स जनरल. नंबर नीदरलैंड, नीदरलैंड्स. संसद भवन इंडिया and 8 national people China, and Bundestag Germany. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 74. Natural wonders. It is a system of waterfalls that comprises 275 independent falls. It is spread over 2.7 kilometers and is wider than the Victoria Falls. The falls are located on the border of Brazil and Argentina and are not far from Paragon. So, what is the name it is? Name is not there. Help box is not there. It is Iguazu Fall. Iguazu Fall. Number 2, it is a harbor located in Brazil. It was created by erosion from the Atlantic Ocean and is also known as Guanabara Bay. This harbor is surrounded by beautiful granite, monolith mountains. Visitors also see several islands nearby, including Governor's Island, Fundão, and Snake Island. So it is harbor of Rio de Janeiro. Harbor of Rio de Janeiro. It is the world's largest ice cave. Rio de Janeiro. R-E-I-O. It is the world's largest ice cave. It was created by the Shazak River. The snow melted and drained into the cave and froze during the winter. The temperatures and cold wind from inside preserve the ice in the cave throughout the year. It is the largest ice cave in the world, extending more than 42 kilometers and is visited by about 2 lakh tourists every year. So this is very difficult name. So tourists every year is rise Eisraienwelt, isn't built cave. The number 4, these are naturally occurring lights that create a wonderful display in the sky. They are also known as the northern lights. When seen from the naked eyes, these look like waves across the sky. This amazing sight appears as if the lights are dancing in the sky. These lights are mostly seen in Arctic and Antarctic regions. So number 4, this is Aurora Borealis. It is a volcano in Michoacán, Mexico. By 1952, the volcano left a 424 meters high cone and significantly damaged the 233 square kilometers with the discharge of stone, ash and lava. Only 2 people were killed by the lightning it produced, but 2 towns were completely evacuated and buried by lava, and 3 others were heavily affected. So the answer is Paricutin. Last one, this forest is a grove of curve-shaped pine trees. It is located in Poland. There are around 400 such pine trees in the forest. They were planted in 1930. Till date, nobody knows what really happened to these pine trees, but one speculation seems reliable that says snowstorm could have knocked the trees like this because they happen quite often at that place. Number 6 is crooked forest. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 75. Inside the bank. Have you ever visited a bank? How much do you know about it? Match each description with the correct banking word. The place where all the money in a bank is kept. Safe. The person who gives and takes money. Cashier. The place where valuables are kept safe. Locker. The place where you can use a card to withdraw money from your account at any time. ATM. To take money from your account. 5. Withdrawal. G. The form we use to give someone money. Account. 6. Check. D. To put money in the bank. Deposit. 7. Yes. F. It tells us how much money we have put in and taken from our accounts. 8. Passbook. You put your money into this at the bank account. Account. Option is A. Okay, so these are the matching. So everyone, dear students, the all chapters of this unit are completed here. I know you all are understand very well. These all are chapters. We will meet you the next class. Thank you everyone.